Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will show you how to buy loads using the Globe One app. Please watch till the end of this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Jhay tutorials.
Step 1. Open your Globe One app, buy load, or promos. Enter the number that you want to load. Choose Account. Select Load Denomination or Load Promos. If you will buy pre-registered promos, buy Load. Wait for it to be redirected on your Gcash app. Enter your Gcash number that will serve as your payment method. Click Next. Enter the OTP that will be sent to your Gcash number. Enter your Gcash PIN. Click Agree and Pay. Click Proceed. Done. That is how you will buy loads and promos using your Globe One app. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Jhay tutorials.